So here we are going to see about the key characteristics of memory system. It contains different key characteristics like location. So the computer memory is placed in three different locations. It can be in CPU, it can be in internal memory, so that is nothing but main memory, or it can be the external memory. Okay, means you are saving your program or whatever the thing which you are saving, that is in a secondary storage. If it is so, it is called as external storage. Okay, so in CPU means it is we are storing it in CPU register or in cache memory. So that is how the location is going to be considered. So in location we are having either CPU or internal or external. Okay. So the next is about capacity. The capacity is in word size or the number of words. So it is expressed using the two terms, that is word size and the number of words. So and then unit of transfer, that is how we are transferring the data. So that is calculated either as the maximum number of bits that can be read or written into a memory at a time. Okay, so that is taken as the consideration. Okay, usually it is taken in terms of word size, or sometimes we may also, if we are transferring it in a bulk, then we call it as blocks. So the unit of transfer is measured either in word size or in blocks. Okay, the next is about access method. The access method, there are two different methods used for access. So one is sequential, that is the memory is organized into units of data and it is called records, and we keep on reading one by one. That is if we have to read suppose some random location n, so till n minus 1 location we have to complete to start reading from the location n. So if this is the type of accessing, then it is called as sequential access. So there is one more method of accessing called as random access. So where the any address can be accessible directly. Okay, so that is about access method. The next is about performance. The performance of the memory system is determined using three parameters. So that is access time, memory cycle time, and then the transfer rate. So if all these are better, then we are going to say that the system is in very good performance. The next is about physical type. The common physical types used today are semiconductor memory and the magnetic surface memory. And then the last is about organization. So that is how it is stored. So depending on that, means how it is organized, whether it is organized serially or organized in a matrix, depending on that we are having different ways of uh, structuring the memory. So this is about the different characteristics of memory. So in the next session we